In today's video, I am going to show you the radicals at 4 lower key. And if you look at the keyboard, 4 lower key is the letter V. And we have 4-7 and 4-8. Let's begin with 4-7. And according to the 10 fundamental keys, 4 is cross and 7 is lit. So the radical right here is 4 cross, 1 horizontal, and this 7 lit. So this upper part is 4-7. Okay, so if you would like to type this character, you press 4-7, which is 4 lower. And continue, we have 1-0, 1 horizontal, and 0 square. 1-0 is at 1 upper. And last, you have 8-1, A 2 dots, and 1 horizontal. A1 is at 8 upper. Space. First one. Alright, continue. You can see the left upper side. Here's 4-7, so we hit 4 lower and 1 horizontal, 1 middle, fundamental key. And this one right here is 2. Okay, so 2 is for left turn, but this radical here is also 2, so we hit 2 middle. Okay, so we've done 3. We go to the last one right here. This is 5 and 8. 5 is in right turn, and 8 is right falling. 5-8 is at 5 lower and space. Okay, continue here. Still 4-7, cross, 1 and 7 lit. 4-7 is at 4 lower. And continue this middle one, begins with 3 vertical and end with 3 vertical. So this radical in the middle is 3-3. And 3-3 is at 3 upper. And the last stroke is 1 horizontal, so we hit 1 middle and space. Alright, next one, still 4-7 left upper side here, 4-7, so we hit 4 lower. And 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And we have a 9 left falling here, 9, so we hit 9 middle. Okay, we've done 3, go to the last one, just like this one, and 5-8. And 5-8 is at 5 lower. Space. First one. Okay, continue. 4-8. As we know, 4 is cross and 8 as in person and right falling, but in this case, they are all 2 dots. Like you can see here, 2 dots, 2 dots. Okay, so 4-8, these characters, they all have 4-8. Are introduced from the first one. Okay, so this one, 4-8. Okay, so we begin with this this radical on the left hand side. This is a 9 left falling and person is 8, so this one on the left hand side, this is 9-8. And 9-8 is at 9 lower. And continue, this is 4-8. So we hit 4 lower key. Continue, here's a dot 6. Fundamental key 6 middle. Okay, we've done 3. We go to the last stroke, which is right here, 3 vertical. So we hit 3 middle and space. Alright, the next one, you can see the first 3 strokes, dot, horizontal, and 9 left falling. So this is a 6-9. And 6-9 is at 6 lower. Continue, we have 4-8, 4-8 right here. So 4-8 is at 4 lower, 4 lower, 4 lower again. And the last radical begins with 2 left turn and end with dot 6. So this radical is 2-6. And 2-6 is at 2 lower. Space. First one. Okay, so this one is similar like this one. Okay, so we begin with 6 lower and 4 lower, 4 lower, and this one stone. This is an exception. so you have to memorize it. It's at the 5 middle and space. Okay, and next to you'll see wood either on left hand side or upper. So for A we hit for lower key, and this one begins with 9 left turn and end with 8. 9 left falling and right falling. So this is a 9-8. 9-8 is at 9 lower. And here's a square, so 0 middle and space. Okay, so next one we begin from the top for 8 for lower. And this one is 0 1 because you can see the outside square 0 and 1 horizontal in the middle. 0 1 is at 0 upper. Last horizontal line 1 middle and space. First one. Okay, now next one you'll see is a 4 cross and 8. This is not following the writing. How do you say that? This is not following how you write the character. Okay, so you pick this 4 8 first and then you go back to the square. Okay, in this case we hit 4 lower and then 0 middle and space. You see the first one. Okay, so this one is the same like this one. So we pick this 4 8 first, 4 lower, and we have 0 1 in the middle. So in this case 0 1 0 upper and space. First one. Okay, so this character the same. We pick 4 8 first and we go back. Here's a 7 lit, so we hit 7 middle. Second one. Alright, so what if like this one gets through? So we type this 0 1 first. Okay, 0 1 is at 0 upper. And this wood gets through. So 4 cross and 8 4 8 is at 4 lower and space. Okay, so the next three you can see the 8 right here, they are separated. Okay, not like this connected to 4. They're separated, but they are all 4. They are also 4 8. Okay. Okay, take this one. This is 1 8. You can see first stroke 1, and we have person at the end. 1 8 is at 1 lower. And here's a 9 left falling, so we hit 9 middle. And last 4 8 for lower space. Alright, continue. Water is 3 8 3 lower. And this one 1 2 1 horizontal and 2 left turn 1 2 is at 1 upper. And last one 4 8 4 lower. Okay, the last one, the first stroke is 1 horizontal, so we hit 1 middle. And then we have square and end with these 2 stroke exceptions. So this is 0 8 and 0 8 is at 0 lower. And last, this is 4 8, so we hit 4 lower. Alright, that's all for the radical introducing of 4 8 and 4 7. Alright, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.